demonstration of the 3-inch pacifier mold from the Maker Shop. It's a 3D mold consisting of a bottom plate, a top plunger, and a shell. Take your shell and place it on top of your bottom plate and start filling slightly, because there are designs on the bottom plate and we want to make sure that those designs come out. So we're going to give it a couple little presses with our finger very lightly on the bottom to pack that around the details. Once you've done that, continue filling as normal, giving it a shake in between. Make sure that all of your mixture gets in between all those cracks and crevices. Take your top plunger, face down with the details, and give it a push. Turn it, give it another push. Turn it one more time, and another push. You can pick it up at this point, get rid of your excess. Take your spoon, gentle taps along the outside shell. Couple taps on the top plunger. Turn it over. Gently tap around the outside rim of the plate. Lift straight up with your plate. Put your fingers underneath and your thumbs on the top and push up with your fingers on that bottom plunger. You may have to move your fingers around. Take your piece of cardboard, stick it on top of your bath bomb and turn it over. Lift straight up with your top plunger. And here is your 3-inch pacifier from the Maker Shop. As always, I'm going to link their website as well as their Etsy shop down below so that you can purchase this or any other molds that you choose. Happy creating!